Alright, in this video we're going to talk about your views and how you can change your views and what they'll look like and what you do. Basically, to change your views, you use these functions right here, these icons. This one is to switch your layout. Most of your apps are going to be in table layout, kind of like an Excel table, and this is what it looks like. I'll show you what some of the other ones look like. Badge is just these big boxes. Some people like that. You see things a little bigger, clearer. Card, there's going to be too many. Use cards for smaller apps that doesn't have as many items. But this is what they look like, and it says too many cards, so we can filter it down if you like the card view. Activity is basically like your activity dashboard screen. It shows up like that. And then calendar is just like a calendar. It's good if you want to sort things by date, or if you want to see a big picture. Maybe you're the project manager, rehab manager, and you want to see, what all you got going on just by your calendar, what's going on for the whole week, rather than in a list view. So I keep mine in list view, but that's what that is. The sorting is A to Z, sorting by the different fields. You can sort it by all the different fields in your actually in your app. You can sort it oldest, newest, A to Z, ascending, descending, that kind of stuff. The options, this little wrench and screwdriver, this is basically in relation to these headers right here. These are the fields in your app, and depending on what you want to see versus what you don't want to see, you can uncheck them or check them to show or hide them. So just for an example, to show that if I don't want to see who it's assigned to, because I'm just going to filter it by it's only being assigned to me, I will uncheck it and it'll hide it. And same thing with like this, relation to item. I can hide all of these things if I want. I can hide the status, I can hide the priority, and show whatever you want. That's what the sorting option is. And so the next one is the filters. Now this is the one where you can really filter things down, and it doesn't so much filter it here by the fields, it filters it by what's inside the app. But so basically not the headers, but what is inside the app. So if you have a category, your status, your priority, and you just want to see everything that's high priority, you could filter it down by that. So now I'll only see everything that's high priority. And I could show you that if I would not hide the priority. See, here it is, right? Or if I don't want high, or maybe I want high and normal. I don't really care about anything that's low. I could filter it down by that. Obviously the high, there's low down here somewhere. I guess there's quite a few to go through. But I could take out the high, and then my normals will show up. Here's my normals. If I want to just do normal and low, I can do that. And that's how you filter it by that. So the filters are basically what's inside the app, what's actually clicked on, what words are in there, what information, when it was created on, when it's due, that kind of thing, what's actually inside the app. The wrench, the options are basically the titles, which ones you just want to show or hide. The sorting, A to Z, sorts this actual screen, and it sorts it like if I wanted to sort the title A to Z, or let's say the due date, what's due newest or something. So I could do due date newest first. All right? So there it is. Or honestly, you might want to do a due date oldest first, so you could take care of those first before you take care of the new ones. So that's the views, and that's how you play with them. And then once you're done, all you gotta do is hit save as, save it as a team or a private view, or overwrite one that we've already got here.